This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very, very easy to use, nothing hard, you do not understand. So this application here, as you can see, you have quite a lot of ads. As you can see down here, you're gonna have some ads. All you have to do is tap on the R icon here, and you should be good to go. So remove the ads for a bit. So as you can see, we'll just redirect it to ads if we do tap on it. But anyways, so as you can see here, this is pretty much the application. All you have to do, if you do want any one of these effects, these are just photo templates which you can use. So let's say, for example, the light aura, you do want any effects like these for one of your photos, all you have to do is tap on the one that you want. As you can see here, we'll load that ads. As I said before, guys.
Why are you wasting time using ChatGPT, Grok, Nano Banana? That's old school. Haha. People are using AI.
You just have to go through all of these ads. When I use any feature, you have to watch an ads. Then you tap on the forward icon at the top, then you tap on close, and then you're gonna see a next ads. Then you tap on the X icon at the top here. So here, once you've gone through all of those ads, you should be able to pretty much see the image that you want to copy. And then again down here, you have a different ads. Let's tap on our icon down here, and you should be good to go. So once you've done that, you pretty much tap on try now. Once you've tapped on try now, make sure you do it fast, because you're gonna pretty much see the ads showing up again, as you can see here. So do make sure tap on our icon down, then tap on try now, and then it will pretty much redirect it to your gallery section, and here you pretty much go ahead and upload your image that you pretty much want to get the same effect.
I can make your music video with any song.
This app is full of ads, guys. So as I said, it's full of ads. So just do keep that in mind. So once you're pretty much going back or using any one of their features, you're going to see a lot of ads. All I have to do is pretty much exhaust ads. You have some other features which you can use. The ones that I've just showed you are pretty much templates. As you can see, there's a lot of templates which you can copy. All you have to do is just select the one that you want. You're pretty much good to go. As well, if you do want to remove the ads, you can get your subscription. You can tap on the crown icon on the top here, and this is pretty much where you get your subscription. You have unlimited video, unlimited AI generation, no advertisement, new AI filters, and photos. Pretty much the templates which you guys have seen. So as you can see here, get it for 19.99 cents USD, and let's say $5 a week for this subscription here. So lot. And as well, you have the video maker feature, you have video image maker feature, enhance image enhance, much like AI remove background feature here, and you have the AI expand background. So I'm gonna tap on the video option here. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works.
Your incognito mode is.
As you can see here again, a lot of ads. So as I said, a lot of ads, a bunch of ads while I just trying to use a couple of features that are on this application here. So I'm gonna tap on close here, and on the excited here, and then you're gonna see a next ads. Once you have pretty much exhausted all the ads, you're pretty much good to go. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the video maker. You can either upload your prompt or upload your image, and then you pretty much generate a video. As well, you do have the option to select the aspect ratios. You can see here you have two options. As well, the standard, if you want a better quality HD, you can go ahead as that. But not much feature as it relates to that. And you enter your prompt down here as pretty much what you want to generate. As it relates to what you want to generate, if you want to add an image, you can go add an image. If you want to the AI do something to that image, you can do that as well. And as you can see here, you won't maybe see this prompt section all the time. Sometimes you will see these pop-up ads here, so you make sure you enter your prompt quickly. So that's the only annoying thing with the application. But overall, fairly decent application. And if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See if we can help.
Make movies for free. You can create